guys, spring is here and this is a super exciting time of year for us. The buds are on the trees, all the plants in the landscaping are starting to pop up, but the most exciting part for us, we're getting people's water features started. And today we're on this massive koi pond project and we're doing the annual spring cleaning. Construction is probably the most glorified part of our job, building brand new features for people, but this is really the meat and potatoes of the business. Maintaining the health and well-being of everybody's water features is a huge part that's not often thought about. Today, we're gonna take you on a journey so you can see how we take a pond from the winter dormancy to thriving ecosystem. We're gonna get it all cleaned up with a proper spring cleaning, and then we're gonna check the fish health, replace anything that is broken that died from last season, like lights, check the plumbing, check the pumps, get the filters running, and get this family off on the right foot for their 2026 season. All right, let's walk around and take a look. We got the whole company here today. This is a big water feature and we're trying to get it all done in one day. The guys are setting up pumps and hoses to start draining the pond. There's lots of koi in here, some big, beautiful ones that were hand-picked from Japan. We're gonna get those fish out, get them in these holding tanks over here so we can inspect them, make sure they're healthy, nobody's got any illnesses, and they're gonna hang out in here with some aerators, and we're gonna put protective covering over the top so they don't jump out, and they're gonna hang out in these tanks while we do all of our work. Up here, we've got some guys, they're draining the wetland filter. We'll talk about that as the day goes on, but this is the heart of the filtration for this whole entire water feature. You can see there's a lot of different elements of this space. We got some decorative fountains up here. We've got a long meandering stream, pooling sections, waterfalls all over the place, and there's just a lot of stuff happening, a lot of moving parts. We've got some big tanks set up over here. These are to hold the original pond water. Some of that pond water, if it's good quality, is gonna go back into the pond when we're done, because we wanna start that ecosystem off on the right foot with all that good beneficial bacteria and microorganisms. But a lot of this water we're actually gonna use to clean. We're gonna use our big pumps with a lot of force to flush all the muck and debris that's accumulated over an entire season last year. And we're gonna get all that stuff out so we've got a fresh start. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. The pond is clean, the fish are happy, everything is healthy and off to the races. This pond is gonna have an amazing season this summer. The homeowners are gonna absolutely love it, enjoy the heck out of it. But for now, I'm headed out. We've got more ponds to clean tomorrow, and hopefully we'll see you in your backyard real soon.